Are you tired of not feeling good? Are you tired of not being able to get rid of that weight you're carrying around all the time? Are you tired of your joints hurting you? Are you trying to do some stuff about it? You're healthy eating, you're walking, you go on your walk every afternoon, but it's because you're walking wrong. Is that possible? Well, yeah, let me tell you about something called rucking. This is the Tough Ruckers community. And rucking is carrying weight in a backpack. It does some amazing things for you. Just by applying weight in a backpack and going on that same walk, you burn 3 times more calories. Suddenly, the pounds start dropping off of. You increase muscle mass. Muscle mass takes the place of fat. The more muscle, the more fat you burn. That extra movement, that weight on your skeletal frame, it actually starts to improve your joints. The flexibility, all of it starts coming back again. Also, bone density. As we get older, our bone density drops at an alarming rate, especially for women. And this helps maintain it. Resistance training, lifting weights, or carrying a weight, it does the same thing. You don't have to go to the gym multiple times a week and lift weights, although that's still great for you. Just putting a weighted backpack on, going for that 15-minute, 30-minute walk, taking your dogs for a walk, you start to achieve all these things. You start feeling better. This is the community to help support you doing that with calendars, meetups, and advice. I'll even share with you the diets that I have started consuming that just make me feel so much better. And when I'm out there moving every day, I don't have the desires to eat those bad foods. And my life has just changed so much. And I want to share it, and I hope that I can share it with you and that you can be a member of this community as well. I devised my own pack. This pack is available too. If you decide it's something that you want, there's information inside our group. You can get one. You don't have to. You can take any old backpack, throw some weight in it. That's what I did. When I started, I literally put 2 5-pound bags of flour in a backpack. I was carrying 10 pounds of flour, baking flour, in my backpack. You don't have to have anything special, but I did manufacture this, and this is available. You can learn more about it if you want to have a bladder filled. So this is a water bladder. This thing has increments on it to hold anywhere from 5 to 30 pounds. So it makes it easy to add weight, and then as you get better, you can increase that weight until you get up. I carry this at 30 pounds every day. I do 2 miles with this. I have bottle holders on the side. I normally carry a water bottle, which adds about another 2 pounds to it. So I'm carrying roughly 35 pounds every single day, and I feel awesome. I feel fantastic. And then I go on longer hikes up into the mountains where I'm really increasing my heart rate. And I'm 52, and I probably feel better now than I have since high school. It's honest too. I've gotten to where I don't eat bad. I look forward to going out on my rucks. Can't do anything about my white hair, and I'm going bald, and my wrinkles and whatnot. But I tell you what, my body feels good, and it just makes me want to live better. It makes me want to eat better. When you start feeling better, it's just such an encouragement. And you don't have to worry about all those. You've probably seen it. As you get older, there's people that I went to high school with who have died. They've dropped dead, in their late 40s because they weren't healthy, right? They weren't working out. They weren't rucking. They were eating bad. They consumed too much alcohol. All those things that we all have done. But you know what? Once I hit a certain age, I'm like, I got to change. So I hope you guys will join, want to be a part of this. We can be a big community, and we can help each other out. We can get to those goals together. So love to see you in there. When you jump in, message me, and let's have a great time. And thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in our group. Take care. Bye-bye.